What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We got something going on today. Finally, after a long time, the phone rings. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, we are getting on the wild strawberry car. I know you guys have seen it kind of in the shadows the entire time, but today we're actually going to get some stuff done on it. We've got plenty of parts to put it back together. It's just been kind of a matter of taking care of the customer cars first. But being at a standstill with the customer cars, we're going to do wild strawberry thing. Dub, are you ready to do wild strawberry things?
Always.
So what do we got up here? We got full black interior for this thing.
Yeah, need to get this down.
We picked up at Bowling Green. Alright, coming down with the black interior. Sorry guys, one-handed. And there's the top part. Don't worry guys, floor is clean. Seats will be cleaned. There's the door panel. Right there. Good starting point. But, again guys, actually been really kind of cranking on getting started with this. The carpet is in it. And then Alex did all the sound deadener. Hit it with the, what is this? Stinger mat. So, starting to put this car together. And if you haven't been following the channel for a long time, this car is getting Gen 1 Coyote. It's a TKO 600 trans. Obviously, it's got the RTS wheels on it. And then got BBK headers and X-pipe on the way for it. It's already got an AJEK member. This car is being built as manual rack. You can see manual brakes, no power steering, no air conditioning, any of that. So it's going to be awesome. We're going to get some work done in this thing. So let's roll. Okay guys, so the quarter glasses. Again, these are not perfect, but they're extremely nice, as you can see. These were restored, kind of a high build primer way. And again, they're not perfect, but they're in really good shape.
If the car is perfect, then
yeah.
Right.
Yeah, if the car is perfect, it's not right. And we actually got Ken doing some work in the shop today.
Ken does work all the time.
Ken,
what's up?
Ken is making some noise on the 500.
We are making noise on the 500. Guys, if you want to go watch my video, go check it out. You'll see the before and after. But
yep.
Basically what it is, on my video you can see it, there's a little hole on the Boss 302, so we made that hole bigger, and we're going to make some noise.
Yes. So if you want to see how loud Ken's 500 sounds, check out his video. But let's get back to what we're doing here. Obviously, we got the black tweed rear seat, top and bottom, and got to pick these up at Bowling Green last year, the NMRA World Finals, like mint shape. And then right here, I think the box is open. Yeah. Hold on. Let's get this box open. So, here we have the black door panels. And I think we might actually, if you guys caught the video when I deleted the mat pockets and restored the door panel, you need to check that out. But we may need to do that on these. And then
Those
up.
mat pockets are in good shape.
Yeah, they're not bad. We might try and maybe pull the elastic tight in them. That might work. But then you can see up there, we've got the black tweed front seats. Those things are phenomenal shape too. So this car, fresh wild strawberry paint, as you can clearly see, black interior, Ford's weld wheels, Coyote and TKO 600. Yeah, wait till this thing's done. So if you guys have never had your quarter glasses out and you're going to put them back in, you got to use this fancy stuff called butyl and just wrap it around the seal part. Put it on there. Nothing to it, right, Alex?
Done a lot of them. Most of 150s. So.
Right. That's what seals the actual glass to the body. None of this seals anything. It's just this right here. Bring it around, cut it off. And then as far as taking these out and putting them back in, reattaching them to the car, again, if you've never had these out, it's just got these studs in them. It's got nuts. That's how you get them out.
Screw to hold it just in case.
Yeah. Simple as that. Put your nuts on the bottom, run them down. It should sit nice and tight and flat up against the body.
Let's pull it in tight.
Look like a car almost. All right, so another piece of the puzzle. I know everybody loved the pony. But we figured it's not 1993 anymore. We gotta clean this thing up a little bit. All right, so we need to get the motor for the car, which is in the old shop, and man, is it gonna be fun getting it out.
I think it's on that damn car.
Oh geez.
Jay's Louise.
Yeah, it's got a 6R80 bolted to it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's it.
There she is.
Yeah. So
Let the party begin, huh?
now we dig. All right, so we actually made it out. It was a little tight in there, but got the engine out. Get the tractor here, load this thing up, get it over to the new shop, get it ready for, well, strawberry duty. All right, so got the Coyote out. It's ready to go in. Of course, the TKO 600 is back at the other shop still. Got the quarter glasses. They're in. Sit down, nice and flat. Interior ready to go in. Now I did actually, we'll take a sidebar. We're not using these door panels. These were supposed to be new in the box, and as you can see, they're old, freaking wore out 4-cylinder door panels that have obviously been wet. They're broke down at that end, so these are pretty much junk. So, a little bit of a setback there. I guess we're gonna have to get door panels. Be all good. But, again, y'all, getting it back together. This steering wheel, we're gonna swap this out. Get rid of that nasty airbag steering wheel. It's going back together. Cody, what do you think?
I like it.
I like it too. Oh, there it is right there. There is the TKO 600, and we've got the QuickTime build housing for that as well. So this build actually is going to come along pretty fast, and if you're at Ford Takeover, which you definitely should be, this car will be there running and driving and turning some major heads because this thing is ridiculous. All right, guys, so that is pretty much what is up for today. This car is going to be coming along. Like I said, it's going to be epic. And here's the updates we got for you so far. We're still waiting on engine for Jeremy's car. It's going to be awesome, though, so stay tuned for that. I promise Jeremy is not going to disappoint when it comes to the Viper Blue Fox body. And, of course, Lee's car, the Whipple, Coyote. All we're lacking right now to get this car like full bore is get the engine bay done. It'll be ready to rock and roll. And then we've got George's car over here, and I did not show you guys earlier. We did get the cage powder coated and mocked up for the lead foot gray 93. It's gonna be beautiful. Nice satin powder coat on that. And one last update, we did get the centers back for the race car. You got the bead locks. You know what time it is. It's gonna be ridiculous. There's a race car in case you didn't know. So again, guys, that is what is up. All kinds of ridiculous stuff going on. I promise you don't want to miss a bit of it. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Give me a like. Oh, hold on. Are we putting tail lights in too? Yeah, buddy. Ridiculous. This car's gonna be bad. Don't miss a bit of it. And remember, go build your beast. Later.